Hello. Today we will discuss an very acute emergencies in homeopathy, how to solve these emergencies, and that to cardiac emergencies. Routinely we don't deal with the emergencies by an homeopathic medicine, but it is a very important that you may learn how to simplify the treatment protocols by which we can give the best cures. Now, the first and foremost cardiac emergency is acute anginal pain. Now, what to do? How to manage such an acute emergency with a severe pain in the chest, and how we can save the patient. First, I will let you know the two important remedy which I have used a maximum and we have given the best results by getting the fantastic recoveries in a cardiac pathology. In acute emergency, first the drug which we use in an acute phase is an aconite. Usually high potencies are carried by me, that is 10 m, 50 m and cm. The typical characteristic of an fantastic symptom is that it is an fear and fear of death, which will not be spoken by a patient, but you can learn from the face itself that what is a fear of death in a gasping condition. We use aconite in 10 m, 50 m and cm in a repeated doses. But remember one thing, that aconite will only work in a first attacks. It will not at all work in the second attacks or third attacks. So remember this point, that aconite always works in a acute state, in a first attack state. So by using such important remedies, you can save the life of your patient. Now, second remedy which I will discuss is a cactus. Cactus is also a very best remedy, fantastic remedy for such an acute emergencies which has been used. Cactus too has an fear, anxiety, but not as like in aconite. Aconite has an fear of death, but cactus has an fear in such a way that any disease which is occurring in the cardiac pathology will kill him. It is more conviction that he has an absolutely incurable condition which is not found in aconite. So cactus is an intense constriction feeling in the left side of the chest from precordium, but they are not so characteristic of angina patient. In this acute condition, I always give the drug in high potency because it acts much more quickly and one wants instant relief. So this is one point about the cactus indication. So we use these two drugs in the first stance in an acute emergencies in a cardiac patients. So to simplify the cardiac managements, these two drugs are at the top and prime categories which you have to use to save the patients. Thank you.